Hello cat people! How are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are making our own highlighter. First of all, I'm gonna explain you my makeup, which is a very simple one, but if you wanna see more complex look, you can always visit my Instagram page, which is Catlady Antigoni. Actually, we'll have it down here. And I'm hoping that I will be able to have future videos with makeup looks. So, let's start with the eyes. I have used two palettes, both from Colourpop. This one is Sailor Moon, and this one is Malibu Barbie, the new collection. So, for the face, I have used Bear With Me foundation from NYX Professional Makeup. As a highlighter, I used from Evelina's For Sale palette the Shade Bleach there. And on my lips, I have from Tarte the Sugar Rush at the shade Dragon Fruit. Are you wondering what we are gonna do here? Nice, because I have an answer to that. So, I have every highlighter that I own here. I'm planning to scratch it and put it there at this jar and actually create a highlighter which is gonna be a mix from all these highlighters that I own. So we have brands like Revolution, Makeup Academy, Too Faced and others that we will see throughout the video. So if you're ready, we're starting. So we will start with the most easy ones. This highlighter here from Makeup Academy at the shade, give me a second, Star Illusion. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take an amount and put it in my jar here. I had a knife, yeah. So today I'm gonna use a knife. Okay, I had the Pro tool for makeup and scratching shadows and everything, but it's dirty. I'm sorry, I forgot to clean it. So I don't want to put bacteria to everything, so I have a very clean knife and I'm gonna work with it. So let's take an amount from Star Illusion and put it here. Hop. Yeah, I think that this is enough, hopefully. So we continue with MUA again, and this time we have Oceanic Wonder. So a little disclaimer here, of course you don't need to have all these highlighters. This is my hobby, makeup is my hobby and hopefully my job, so that's why I have everything. Of course, whatever you have is more than enough. It happens for me to have all of these things, so we're just playing here and having some fun together. You don't need to buy anything, of course, but if I have them and I can make some entertaining content for you, of course I'm gonna do it. So let's move to the action. I'm gonna open it and add an amount into my jar. Okay, great. So now we have this one as well. Since we are at the MUA, let's continue with their palette, which is the Gradient Light palette, Glimmering Gemstones. So this is a palette which contains 9 shades of highlighters, and what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take my beloved knife here. I'm gonna scratch all the 9 shades into my jar here, and finally we will mix everything together. So let's do it! So we just finished with MUA and now we are moving to Makeup Revolution and their child company or something, iHeart Revolution. Like, I love their packages. They use mermaids, unicorns and all this cool stuff, and you know how much I love all these, especially mermaids. Okay, so here we have the unicorn highlighter. Yeah, I prefer this one. and it's a heart, a rainbow is heart, so I'm gonna scratch it and add this into my mix. I'm scratching it. Oh, I'm feeling like I'm destroying it, so it's one of my favorite highlighters. But yeah, it's gonna contribute to the good one, hopefully the good one. Let's see what do we have here. We continue with I Heart Revolution, but this time something darker, something like Dark Angel. Again, they're hearts, but as you can see there, the color are more goldish and bronzy color, so I think that this highlighter would make our mix very interesting. So let's see. So we continue with I Heart Revolution and their Easter collection. So as you can see, I'm keeping the box to this one because it's an amazing box. Can you see this thing here? Like, I'm in love, you know. So this palette is at the shade Candy, and I'm gonna show you. It's like an egg. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? So this palette actually has two sides. This side is eyeshadows and this side is highlighters. Guess which one will we use at this video? Yeah, this one, correct. So we have two shades available, one pinkish and one more orange, which I'm gonna add into my mix. Our next one is gonna be from Revolution Pro, the 4K, like our video, highlighter palette at the shade Gold. And if you see here, there are 4 different shades, bronzy, gold, so I'm gonna add them into my mix right now. Last but not least, we have these 3 palettes from Too Faced. It was their Christmas collection last year, so from these 3 I'm gonna use this because this contains a highlighter and a bronzer. So can you guess which one I'm using? The bronzer? Nope, the highlighter. Yeah, oh, wow, this smells so nice even after a year. It smells like biscuits and chocolate, and yeah, it's amazing. Like, every time I smell it, I'm like back in my childhood, and it's so great. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna scratch a little bit into my mix, and I'm gonna do pretty much the same procedure that you have seen before. So here we have the final product. We finished. We have included pretty much every single one of our highlighters, and I wanna do a little disclaimer here. Look, so I'm gonna use this actually. If it is good, I'm gonna use it on makeup, or if it is not that good, I'm gonna find a way to use it as a body paint. So it's very important for me to not make waste, because I know it's very cool to play with whatever we have and having fun and all this good stuff, but it's not cool to make waste. So for this video, I'm gonna make sure that I'm not gonna make any waste, and I'm recommending it to you to try not to make waste from things that you are making and try to find alternative uses for what you have. Time to try what we have created. So I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand first with my finger. Yeah, I have an amount and I'm gonna swatch it. Wow! Wow! It's so good because if you remember, we added both cool toned highlighters and warm toned, so it's something in between and it's just amazing. I don't know if you can see it. It's so nice. It's very good. Now I'm gonna try it on my face. I already have some highlighter, but I will put it on so we will see it. Before I try this existence that I have made here, I want to say you the word of the day. Actually, it's a new part that I'm gonna include to my videos. I don't know if you know, I'm from Greece, so at every video I will have a Greek word, and feel free to try to learn it, and I'm waiting for you to use it at the comments, like write a comment in English and try to include this word, and you will make me very happy, and maybe I will include you to my next video if you want, so we will talk about it. Okay, so for today we have the word for shine because we were making a highlighter, so this word is lampsy. I actually am gonna write that down, lampsy. Lampsy. Try to say it, it's gonna be fun. Okay, so that was the word of the day. Now, let's try the highlighter that we made on our face. So, I'm holding my mirror there. I hope that you will be able to see me normally. I'm having a brush by Real Technique. It's the setting brush, but it's perfect for highlighting. So, I will use this. Actually try. Wow! Wow, it's amazing. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's a very unique color. Like, I don't think that I have seen this color before. It's very nice. And I'm very happy with the outcome. Wow, can you see the glow here? I'm gonna add a little bit on my nose as well. Because why not? It's Cupid's bow here. Yeah, and I'm very happy with what I've created. So with this highlighter we have the evidence of that we can make something from homemade ingredients or whatever we have at our place, and it's gonna be something that nice. So that was my video about how to create your own highlighter. Thank you for watching, thank you for being there with me. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like, and of course don't forget the notification bell in order to have every notification from this channel. Of course you can follow me on Instagram, you will find it down there. And again, thank you so much for being there and watching my video. Bye bye!